Hello developers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about get attribute method in Python. So let's say you have a class, let's say person, and now I have declared an attribute inside this class, let's say name, consisting of a value rhythm. And now the scope of this variable name is inside this class, so I cannot access it outside this class. So let's say if I try and do that thing, which is a crime, so yeah, it won't let me. It isn't allowed. So now that if I want to access this, or if I want to check whether there is an attribute named name inside this person's class, there is a method inside Python wherein you can check this thing, which who so we there is a method named getattr, and wherein you have to pass on the class's name over here, which is person, and the attribute that you want to get inside it, that you want to search for inside the class, which is name. And what this will do, it will return me the value associated with that attribute. So now when I run the code, I'll be getting rhythm. Yeah. So now let's say you are trying to find something which is not inside that class. So let's say I'm trying to find surname from that class. So as it's not there inside this class, I could be getting an error. Yeah, I would be getting an error like this. So now, let's say you have a very big class, okay, wherein you want to check whether there is something like this inside your class, and you would be getting an error with 4 to 5 lines, and you don't want that to happen. You want to see a very small message popping up that there is no class, there is no attribute inside this class. So how you can do that in a cleaner way is that you can do it from here. Like you can pass in a default argument, which so if the get attribute the g this method, if it's not able to find surname from the class, it will return this instead. So it will return not there. So now if I run this code again, I'll be able to see not there because it's basically not there inside this class. So in the same way, you can also access methods inside the class. So let's say you have a method named a method which basically does nothing. Okay, and now we want to access it. Why is it yellow? Okay, so now if you want to access it, you need to pass on the name over here, and you need to run the Python. Yeah, so it will be returning this. So if it's not an error, you can be assured that there is a method inside your class named a method only. So yeah, that this was for this video, and I hope you learned something new in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.